This video serves as a vital reminder of occupational health and safety in industrial environments where forklifts and heavy machinery are used. Critical risks include impaired visibility, where obstructed views lead to dangerous encounters with pedestrians, and procedural lapses, caused by moments of inattention near active equipment. Furthermore, operational violations like overloading or speeding significantly increase the risk of vehicles tipping over. To prevent these incidents, strict protocol adherence is essential, starting with pre-operation inspections. Proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, provides a necessary line of defense while maintaining a high level of focus, and respecting safe zones helps everyone stay clear of blind spots. Everything was progressing normally in the HPDC casting machine, but suddenly the hydraulic core hose connection failed. As soon as the connection broke, a small explosion occurred, followed by flames. The pressurized system became uncontrolled instantly. Workers quickly stepped back by reflex, and a brief moment of panic occurred. But after a few seconds, one of them approached again, shut down the system, and brought the situation under control before it escalated. Even a minor failure in pressurized lines can turn into a fire within seconds. Everything in the workshop appears to be normal. A worker is operating near a high-speed lathe machine, but a brief moment of distraction is enough. He gets too close to the rotating part and is pulled into the machine within seconds. Nearby workers immediately notice and rush to intervene in panic. In such machines, even the smallest mistake can lead to irreversible consequences. Rotating systems do not forgive. In this incident, everything happens very quickly. A worker is positioned at the back of a garbage truck to load waste. With his back turned, he prepares to lift and throw it into the rear compartment. But at that moment, he trips. He loses his balance, falls backward, and lands directly into the compaction area of the truck. After that, the situation quickly gets out of control. The rear area of such vehicles is one of the most dangerous zones. Even a small loss of balance can lead to serious consequences. In Atlanta, a disaster was narrowly avoided within seconds. In the city center, a suspended platform carrying 2 window cleaners working 38 floors above ground suddenly failed, leaving them hanging in midair. Witnesses said the platform broke apart and the workers were violently swinging back and forth. In those critical moments, the only thing keeping them alive was their safety harnesses. According to officials, the fallen platform dangled downward and made contact with a high-voltage power line, triggering an explosion. Flames rose just centimeters away from the workers as they panicked, while suspended dozens of meters above the ground. After several intense minutes, both workers managed to reach nearby balconies and secure themselves to safety. Miraculously, they survived with only minor injuries. This incident clearly highlights the critical importance of equipment checks. For an operator attempting to descend a steep slope with a small excavator, everything went out of control within seconds. As the machine lost balance and began to tip over, the operator inside the cabin was thrown around because the door was open and proper protective measures were not in place. The operator was ejected outward and faced the risk of being crushed under the machine. As the excavator hit the ground, a cloud of dust spread, revealing the severity of the situation. In such conditions, working on slopes, maintaining balance, and ensuring cabin safety are vital. This incident once again shows how neglecting even simple safety measures while operating heavy machinery can lead to serious consequences. Ensuring vehicle maintenance safety is paramount, as demonstrated by a recent shop incident where a vehicle unexpectedly shifted and dropped due to equipment failure. This footage captures the hazardous moment. A technician working beneath a raised car, was struck only to be saved by the swift reaction of co-workers. This serves as a vital reminder to strictly follow workplace safety protocols. First, routine equipment inspections are essential. Always ensure hydraulic jacks and lifts are maintained and operated within weight limits. Second, the mandatory use of jack stands is non-negotiable. Never rely solely on a jack. Third, utilize the buddy system to ensure immediate assistance in emergencies. Safety is never optional, as a single moment of oversight can lead to life-altering consequences. Maintaining industrial press safety is critical, as shown in this footage of a hazardous factory incident where a large-scale press was operating on an automated cycle. An employee attempted to adjust materials within the die area without pausing the machinery, resulting in a severe injury when they could not retract their arm in time. This serves as a vital reminder to strictly adhere to safety regulations. Personnel must maintain safe distances and never place body parts in operating zones while machines are in motion. Always use assistive tools like tongs to avoid direct contact with internal components. Facilities should also install and test safety sensors like light curtains to halt machinery automatically. Maintaining workplace safety is essential, as shown by industrial incidents where vehicles or heavy machinery cause unexpected harm. This footage highlights how a vehicle entering an inspection area can lose control and collide with a technician. Similarly, mechanical failures in heavy presses can lead to limbs being caught in operating zones. These split-second events result in serious injuries, serving as a sobering reminder to follow safety protocols. Always maintain proper safety distances from moving equipment. Use specialized assistive tools rather than hands to adjust active machinery. Regularly conduct equipment maintenance on emergency stops, sensors, and brakes. Stay focused and vigilant at all times, as even a momentary lapse in concentration can lead to severe health consequences. Safety is the highest priority for everyone. Maintaining industrial safety is critical, as demonstrated by incidents where technical or equipment failures lead to hazardous workplace collisions. This footage highlights how a sudden mechanical shift in an automotive shop can strike a technician performing maintenance. Similarly, in factory settings, a lack of focus or poor coordination during the operation of heavy-duty machinery can result in serious injuries when a limb becomes caught in an active press zone. These split-second events serve as a vital reminder to strictly adhere to all safety protocols. It is essential to maintain a safe distance from operating equipment. Utilize proper assistive tools rather than direct hand contact, and regularly inspect safety sensors and emergency stop systems. Establishing a habit of following correct procedures is the best way to protect the well-being of yourself. In an active commercial kitchen, 2 staff members attempted to lift a large pot of steaming liquid, but a potentially wet or greasy floor caused one worker to slip. The pot tipped over instantly, splashing hot contents across the floor and creating a hazardous cloud of steam. This incident highlights critical safety protocols for the food service industry. To prevent such accidents, floors must be kept dry and spills addressed immediately. Staff should wear high-traction, slip-resistant shoes and heat-resistant clothing. Heavy containers of hot liquids should be moved using specialized carts rather than manual lifting. Installing industrial rubber safety mats can provide extra grip in moist areas.